Hello, welcome back again to another video. In this video, we're going to look at a very interesting AI music generator. It is not your ordinary AI music generator because it has a lot of AI music tools right inside it. So jumping in, if you click on the link below, it gets you to the website, and this is where you can see. Now, it's a beautiful website with very user-friendly and easy to use. You can see already here you have all the tools that you need right up here, and then here you just scroll down to see what this AI music creator can do. So you can see here there's so many things that you can read through to understand more of this beautiful AI. And this is a very beautiful website with the design easy, user-friendly to use. So what are some of the things that you're expecting here? The first thing to know is it is 100% royalty free. It means when you subscribe to one of the paid, you have the rights to use the music anywhere. And again, here, this is where the homepage, you can just type in what music you want to create, or you can just use the magic cube here to generate the lyrics for you. But the important thing is looking up here, you have the AI music generator, you have the AI lyrics generator, and then right inside here, you have this different tool, AI stem splitter, vocal remover, singing voice generator. And these are very interesting AI music tools that are right inside here that we're going to take a look at in the future videos. AI mastering, AI MIDI, audio to MIDI. My favorite is AI photo to music generator. And there's a new that being added recently, and that is, if we click here and we go in, you can see this is AI music video. We're going to talk about this in the future video. But for now, just introduction to this very beautiful AI music generator, music creator AI. See you back again in another video.